Hello, magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa Sagittarius. Okay? Sign ng Sagittarius. Lola Baby nagpapakilala. Okay? Isa lang pong likes, subscribes, and share. General reading po ito. Hindi po ito personal or private. Okay? Bigyan kayo ng timeless reading sa mga natitirang araw, linggo, ng buwan ng June at sa papasok na July. Okay? If you want a private reading, feel free to email Lola Baby. Okay? So for some of you, nakikita dito ang tinatawag na the tree of spades. Yan, ha? So it's nakikita ko dito, ikaw at sila, di ba? So naririto ang tinatawag na the 10 of spades. Yan, ha? So, ibig sabihin nito, it's like there is a planning, okay? There is a tinatawag na assemble, okay? Ano ito? Diba? It's like meron ditong mahalagang dapat pag-usapan, okay? Sandali lang. Yan, ha? Saan ito? Sino itong mga kausap nyo? Kapatid nyo, kamag-anak nyo, mga kaibigan nyo, okay? Pamilya mo, mga asawa mo, magulang mo, sino yan? Mga in-laws mo, sino to? Neighbors mo ba? Di ba? Sino sila? Colleagues mo, boss mo, sino sila? Di ba? So, ang nakikita ko dito is tinatawag na meron ditong, it's like pagbabago. Okay? Merong pagbabagong mangyayari sa usapan. It's like babaguhin. Okay? Yan, may babaguhin sa usapan. Okay? Maaring sabihin na natin babaguhin ng schedule. Okay? O yung tinatawag na, maybe sabihin natin there is a travel, a journey, babaguhin. Okay? Or halimbawa merong usapan, babaguhin. Merong meet up, babaguhin. Merong celebration, babaguhin. May mga babaguhin. Di ba? Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag advance, i-advance. It's like tinatawag na there is it's like merong idadagdag, di ba? Idadagdag. So, narito ang tinatawag na the King of Diamonds, di ba? So, sino ito? Ikaw ba ito or sila? Okay? It's like tinatawag na siya ang may, halimbawa sabihin na nating may babaguhin sa sistema, halimbawa sabihin natin sa loob ng bahay, di ba? May mga babaguhin kung halimbawa bibili ito ng kotse, it's like tinatawag at the last minute, di ba? Merong sabihin na nating baka i-delayed ang pagbili ng kotse sapagkat meron siyang sabihin na nating ibang gustong brand ng kotseng bibilin kasi may babaguhin, okay? So maaring ito yung tinatawag spending, maybe mag-i-spend siya ng money, okay? Whatever is this. Kasi narito ang mga tao, it's you and them, kaya nakikita ko, okay? May mga babaguhin, okay? Baka ito magpapa-extension ng bahay, di ba? Bibili ng bagong sasakyan. Maaring additional family members, mayroon ditong buntis. It's like announcement, di ba? Advance announcement, di ba? It's like announcement ng may nagbubuntis, mayroong success sa trabaho, sa negosyo, sa relationship. Maganda, okay? It's like meron dito tinatawag announcement na mangyayari, may pagbabago, mas maganda, okay? So tinatawag dito na the Four of Swords, down to the Four of Swords, yan. Itong swords is spades yan, ha? So ang nakikita ko for some of you is like tinatawag na ito is more on a friendly, okay? Maybe a suggestion, yun ang nakikita ko, ha? Yan. Closeness ang nakikita ko. Closeness, okay? Maybe sabihin na nating pagtitipon ng pamilya, pagtitipon ng magkakaibigan, pagtitipon, kung sino ito, it's like pagtitipon ng mga amigos, amigas, di ba? Yan, meron ditong pagtitipon, di ba? So tingnan ko lang, ha? Masyadong full of surprises itong energy ninyo, okay? nahirapan akong hulaan. Kumbaga dito ay full of surprises. Parang napakaganda ng sorpresa, di ba? It's like nakaka-excite, di ba? Yan. Kung ano man yan, ha? Kasi narito ang The King of Diamond, napakaganda, okay? So it's about tinatawag interaction and action, a journey, a travel, a symbol, di ba? Yan, maybe it has something to do about work, family, love, romance, children, siblings, yan ha. Pero nakikita dito, it's like full of surprises. Sandali nga, ano itong three of spades na ito. Yan ha. So, ibig sabihin itong three of spades na ito is yung tinatawag na sandali lang ha. It's more about gains, magkakaroon ng gains, di ba? Magkakaroon ng gains. Okay? So ang nakikita ko dito it's like a promotion, di ba? Kaya na lang mag-fit, okay? General po ito. Yan. So kung ano man ito, it's between you, okay? You and them, di ba? So nakikita dito yung tinatawag success, a victory, satisfaction, di ba? Contentment. And then gains. Yun na nakikita ko. Maybe sabihin na natin their honor. There's something to do about honor. Di ba? Yun. They are very, very pride of their achievements. They are pride of their achievements. Di ba? Success. Kung ano man ito, it's like tinatawag, they are very, very, pinagmamalaki nila ang kanilang achievements na nagawa. Okay? So, ibig sabihin itong tinatawag na the 10 of spades, di ba? To the 3 of pentacles. Yan ha. So, nakikita ko dito yung tinatawag lumalago. Okay? Whatever is this. Sabi na natin, you are dealing with people. You're really dealing with people. Ibig sabihin nito na nako-convince. There is convincing between you and them. Okay? It's like tinatawag na magkakaroon ito ng success dahil narito ang King of Diamonds. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na solve sila, convince sila sa ipinapakita mo, sa itinuturo mo, sa idine-demonstrate mo. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na they are, it's like join the club. Yan, join sila. Diba? Ibig sabihin nito, there is a building a relationship. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, there is gains. Okay? There is gains. And that is your pride. Diba? Yan, nakikita dito. Sa tinatawag na the 9 of Wands. Diba? It's like madali mong makonvince ang tao. Diba? By your words, by your speaking, by your writing. Okay? By your, whatever is this, di ba? It's like tinatawag, hustler ka. Yan, hustler. Alam na alam mo, ginagawa mo. Okay? Kumbaga dito magaling ang sales talk mo. Di ba? Madali mo sila makonvince. So, it's like you creating an audience, creating clients, di ba? Pumasok sila, oh. Because of your attractiveness, di ba? It's because of what you are capable of. Kumbaga dito, nakikita, pinaghirapan mo. It's like tinatawag dugo at pawis, di ba? Para ito'y ma-attain mo, para ito'y ma-acquired mo. Kaya dito nakikita, hustler ka, easy. It's like tinatawag, bumuka lang ng kaunti ang bibig mo, agad meron ng gains, meron ng weight, meron ng money, di ba? Madaling pumasok ang pera. The King of Diamonds. So, ibig sabihin nito'y surprise. What's this surprise, di ba? Sandali nga, interested ako dito. You are following your intuition. For some of you, develop ang inyong intuition, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, there is a surprise. Yan, whatever is this, di ba? An action, a travel, a journey. It's like tinatawag a wealth, or a relationship, or a business, okay? Or a trophy, an award, whatever is this. Yan, oh. You will be surprised. Very, very big surprise. Ibig sabihin nito, abundance. Yan, oh, abundance. Very, very abundance. Yan. It's like tinatawag, you have to be very, very proud of, okay? because of nakikita dito, okay? You deserve this. Whatever is this, you deserve. It's coming, so manifesting, whatever, ha? Okay? Manifesting, yan. So tingnan ko lang itong tinatawag na it's yan, no? It's like you will be informed, you will be informed, ha? Okay? So ibig sabihin nito, success yan, ha? The four of tinatawag na spades yan, ha? Okay. So this is between you and them. Nakikita ko dito, ha? Ano ito, okay? There is it's like tinatawag na a serious talk. Yan, ha? A friendly talk. Yan, no? It's like tinatawag na sandali lang, ha? Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag your relationship to them, okay, is magiging fruitful. Okay? Sandali, tingnan ko lang. It's between you and them, di ba? Sino ito? Yan. Okay. Wait muna, ha? Wait muna. Okay? Ibig sabihin, it's like meron ditong tinatawag i-hold. Okay, holding. Yan. I-hold. Okay, i-hold ang usapan. Yan na. Or whatever is this. Sino ito? Di ko alam kung kumukontra ang mga ito. Okay, sandali lang. Sandali. It's like they are against. Okay? Sandali. I-hold. Okay? Sandali. Sino ito mag-hold na ito? Okay? Supposed to be na ito. Okay? It's like i-hold ito. Okay? Yan. Sandali. Bakit ito'y narinig? The four of spades. Sino itong okay. Yan, ha? Sandali. So, dito narito yung tinatawag, meron ditong hindi, it's like, ay hindi ko lang alam kung sino ito. Is this a family or siblings or mga kasamahan ninyo, like sabihin natin mga associates, colleagues, di ba? Yan. So, nakikita ko lang dito waiting. Okay? So, wait muna, delaying. Okay? Meron dito delaying. Sandali, bubuuin ko. Dito ako nahirapan. Sandali. Nasaan yung isang cards? Yan, ha? Okay. Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, maybe, yan, ha? I think this is something has to do about you need to choose, okay? To choose a path, wait mo na, a location, a house. Yan, no? Ibig sabihin nito, okay? You will be informed, you will be surprised by this, di ba? Nakikita dito, either ikaw or sila. Kasi nakikita dito adjustment, di ba? Makakapag-adjust ba sila? Or meron ditong dapat i-let go, bitawhan, di ba? Yun. So it's a big decision. It's like tinatawag, you have to choose, okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na hindi ito magmamaterialize, okay? Hindi pa ito magmamaterialize because of the King of Cups, di ba? Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag, magmamaterialize lang ito, whatever is this, dahil nakaharap na ito, tinatawag na the swords, okay? The Ace of Swords. Magmamaterialize, it's up to you, di ba? Yan, no? Ay, hindi ko alam kung ano, ha? Yan, it's up to you because it's about you and them, di ba? Yan. It's about you and them. It's like tinatawag, kailangang magdesisyon ka. Be firm to your words, to your decision, to your action, di ba? Dito. Yan, ha? So, kaya dito lumabas ang tinatawag na the High Priestess. It's about following your intuition, di ba? Kumbaga dito ay masyado kayong logic, okay? Masyado kayo, it's more about your tinatawag na rational mind. It's more about your mind. But this time, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na use your intuition. Diba? Follow your intuition. Dahil dito, it's like tinatawag mapapa-compromise kayo. Okay? Mapapa-compromise kayo whatever is this. Tinatawag na the Ace of Swords. Maybe it has something to do about movement, transfer. Diba? It's like tinatawag na maybe it has something to do about your career, di ba? Your profession, your work, your family, di ba? It's like tinatawag kailangan meron kang pakawalan dito or ibaba or tinatawag na i-let go, di ba? Yan. Kasi hindi magmaterialize dahil narito ang the King of Cups, okay? Hindi ito magmamaterialize as long na hindi ka dito yung tinatawag na aayon. Kailangang umayon ka. Diba? It's like life and death. Hindi ko alam kung ano po ito ha. Yan. It's like a life and death. Yan ang daladala nito. Diba? So, ibig sabihin nito, it's like tinatawag, it will be given to you, it will be rewarded to you, it will be tinatawag gifted to you. Okay? Kaya dito kita mo it's like tinatawag na nakahold ito. Yan, it's like hindi ito pwedeng i-release, okay? Kailangan yung tinatawag, you have to be very, very tough and firm, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, calm your mind, okay? Follow what your heart is saying. So, it's more about intuition. It's about yung tinatawag na your feminine, okay? Your feminine, yan. It's like tinatawag, maaring ayaw mo itong i-let go. Ayaw mo itong mawala sa iyo. But you have to be firm. Okay? Yan. Sapagkat narito. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito, this will only happen kasi nakabinbin. Kaya narito ang the King of Cups. Nakabinbin. Okay? Pag ito yung nakabinbin, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, okay? Tinatawag na kailangang maging firm ka, okay? Kung ito'y kailangan mong pakawalan mo, okay? Bagay man ito, tao man ito, hayop man ito, okay? Kayamanan man ito, health man ito, mga mahal mo sa buhay mo man ito, kung sino man yan, okay? Yan, ibig sabihin nito, naka-withhold, hawak nila, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, whatever is this, yan ha. Kaya lumabas ang tinatawag na the high priestess, okay? Yan. You will only have this. Yan, no? You will only have this, okay? Pero kailangan, you have to be very, very tough if it's about your decision, okay? Kailangan tinatawag na once na pinakawalan mo, it's like tinatawag your words, your action, your thoughts, okay? No regrets, okay? Napakahirap, very, very tough. You will be faced, okay? A very, very tough decision for you to make.